Got the foghorn on this. Today's date is 3/22/18. 3/22/18. Snowing. And we got some nice waves. There were some bigger ones when I walked here a few minutes ago. We'll see what happens, see what we pick up. There's some activity over here. Oh yeah, I think I see some nice stuff here. Yeah, right there. That one ain't too shabby, better than a week ago today. Oh yeah. Nice. Except the foghorn drowns out the sound of the waves. Other than that, no problem. Again, today's date is 3/22/18. On this date in 1986, I had a real treat. I was taping off the radio, this Pleasantville, upstate New York radio station called ZFM. And there was one song I was hoping they'd play. And my God, I had the tape recorder running. They played the song I wanted so badly, and the song was Carpet Man by the Fifth Dimension. Carpet Man by the Fifth Dimension. Hit number 29 on the week ending 3/11/68. And my taping that song off the radio is like my videotaping 40-foot waves here. Can you believe that? Even the foghorn agrees with me. That was a miracle. The last time I heard that song, Carpet Man by the Fifth Dimension, was on back in the fall of 1968. I had to wait 17 years to hear that song again. 17 and a half years. But get this, I haven't played that song off the radio in the 32 years since. Can you believe that? No, they always play the same crap on the radio these days, such as Oh Pretty Woman by Roy Orbison, Brown Eyed Girl by Van Morrison, and Band of Gold by Frida Payne. You know Amy Appley loves that song. And I Can't Get No Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones. You hear those songs in your sleep. But sometimes they play a rare song and then I happen to catch it at the right time. Talking about miracles. It was 32 years ago today, or shall I say 1 billion seconds ago. 1 billion seconds ago today. More chart stuff for the musical buff. Alright. Again, it was 3/22/86, 32 years ago today. My good friend Tom Benzenhover. Hope I got your name right finally. My good friend Tom was only a few weeks old at the time. Alright. With or without the foghorn, I'm going to try to videotape as much as I can. I didn't think the waves would be big, but here I am. The big news was the 4th NorEaster in 19 days. The 4th. Count them, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. March 2nd, March 7th, March 13th when we had the big snow blitz. And now this one. And the foghorn's probably telling you that, even though it's snowing right now, we had very little snow here compared to other places. New York City and parts of Long Island were hammered. I mean, literally hammered. I'm not talking about MC Hammer, the pop music star. Some places on Long Island had 20 inches of snow. 20. Boy, if we had that amount of snow here, I wouldn't be videotaping here. Unless I had a dog sled pulling me here. if you don't mind the foghorn, if you don't mind it. Got some videos here for you. My good friend Jason Sellin. And Jason, I hope you get some thunder tomorrow night. You mentioned you might get some. Oh yeah, I'll be on your side on that one, boy. Yeah. Well, again, I love what I did. I love what I did on this date in 1986. My audio taping the song Carpet Man by the Fifth Dimension is like videotaping 30, 40-foot waves here and getting on YouTube and getting 100 viewers an hour. Wow, this is a nice one behind it. Sounds right, it's a foghorn blowing, not a snow horn. Let's see if I can get down there. You know, the foghorn might drown my ears. Okay, I'm going to switch to another clip, okay? And I'll go down there. Well, let me get these first. Okay, after these guys, I'm going to pause it and go down there and see if I can get the waves. And when I was here a week ago today, I caught some nice seabirds. However, the waves were downright puny back then. I think they're bigger today than they were a week ago. Okay, let's pause it.